Whether you are cruising through the summer heat or navigating a sudden winter storm, your tires are the unsung heroes of every journey. They are the only 4 points of contact between your vehicle and the pavement below, making them your most critical safety feature. Hey there, I am CodeMechanic. Welcome to the garage. Today, we are mastering the essentials of tire maintenance to keep you safe and efficient. To help you remember the basics, we use the PART acronym: pressure, alignment, rotation, and tread. Let's start with the most common one. Chapter 1. Mastering tire pressure. Maintaining the correct air pressure is vital for fuel economy, handling, and preventing premature tire failure. Don't guess your SI based on the tire size. Instead, look for the placard on your driver's side door jamb for the manufacturer's recommended levels. Simply remove the valve cap, press your gauge firmly onto the valve stem, and read the display. It only takes a few seconds per tire. Remember, outside temperature affects your pressure. For every 10-degree change in weather, your tires can lose or gain 1 to 2 psi. Make it a habit to check your tires monthly and always before heading out on a long road trip. Consistency is the key to longevity. Moving on to Chapter 2. The importance of rotation. Tires don't wear out evenly because the front and rear axles perform different tasks. For front-wheel drive cars, the front tires handle steering and power, causing them to wear faster than the rears. Rotation balances this out. We recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. This prevents irregular wear patterns, like cupping or flat spots. Regular rotation ensures a smoother ride and can significantly extend the life of your tread, saving you hundreds of dollars over time. Chapter 3. Tread depth and the penny test. Your tread is what channels water away to prevent hydroplaning on wet roads. Not sure if your tires are worn? Try the penny test. Insert a penny upside down into the tread groove with Lincoln facing you. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, your tread is less than 2/32 of an inch, and it is time for new tires immediately. You can also look for built-in wear indicator bars. When these bars become flush with the tread ribs, your tire has reached its legal limit. Chapter 4. Advanced safety inspections. Beyond tread and pressure, we need to look for physical damage to the tire's structure. Look for bulges or bubbles in the sidewall. These indicate internal damage and are ticking time bombs that could lead to a blowout. Check for dry rot, which appears as fine cracks in the rubber. This usually happens to older tires or cars parked outdoors for long periods. Finally, check the .date code. Tires should be replaced every 6 to 10 years. Even if the tread looks perfectly fine, rubber degrades over time. Safety should always come first. By following these simple steps, you are protecting yourself and your passengers. Let's wrap up. Check your pressure monthly, rotate regularly, monitor your tread, and inspect for damage. Make it a habit. Thanks for watching. Drive smart, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. This is CodeMechanic, signing off.